everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How-To Videos, where today we're going to go over how to fix the red flashing light on a litter robot. Let's begin. You can see when I turn on the cat litter robot that a red flashing light appears in the lower right corner. This is a good indicator that something is setting off the cat sensor. First, make sure to clean out the cat litter box thoroughly. I recommend doing what they call a deep clean on it. If you have done so and the light is still flashing red, this most likely means that there is a problem with the cat sensor itself. To test the cat sensor, we're going to have to disassemble the litter robot. To do so, first unplug the machine. Then, locate the two tabs on each side of the bridge. Press them in and remove the top crossmember. Then, lift the globe off the base. Last, remove the disposable waste tray from inside the base. Inside the base, you will notice a small black wire leading to the cat sensor. Disconnect it. Next, take something metal and shove it into the male plug. Make sure that it makes contact with both prongs. This will be used as a jumper to bypass the sensor. Reassemble the litter robot. Turn it on and press cycle. The orange cycling light in the middle should illuminate and the globe should start spinning. If for some reason it doesn't and the red flashing light continues, this means that you have bigger problems that need to be addressed, and I recommend contacting tech support. However, if it does work, this means that your cat sensor has gone bad and needs to be replaced. To replace the cat sensor, disassemble the litter robot. Inside the base, locate the nut on top of the metal plate and the bolt underneath the base. Using a 1/4 inch socket and a 9mm wrench, remove the bolt. Underneath the metal plate, you will find the cat sensor. Peel the sensor off and apply the new one. When reattaching the metal plate, make sure not to over-tighten the bolt. With the metal plate reinstalled, plug in the sensor. Last, reassemble the litter robot. Turn it on and select cycle. The orange cycling light should illuminate and the globe should start spinning. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to fix the red flashing light on a litter robot. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below. That and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, please let me know in the comments below. But until next time, God bless and good luck.